1988 Chevrolet Monte Carlo Super Sport. Fresh paint, brand new tires, AC's been redone, headliner, a lot of new parts. Other than that, the car is original motor, 5.0, runs and drives great. We sell and we ship worldwide. We finance nationwide. Please visit our website for more information on that. There is a link to the website in the description of this video. Just scroll down to the description. Brand new stripes. Here's the name of the company right there, phone number and website. The wheels have been reconditioned slightly. Paint looks awesome. Nice job. The interior is all original. It does have a little crack on the dash right there. Aftermarket radio. Other than that, it is original seats. All in decent shape for the cheer. Power windows, both of them work fine. Car is showing 90,000 miles on the odometer. It's a 5-digit odometer, so please do your homework. As I said, all original 5.0, running great.